What's up, everybody? Hey, this is the Dean's Daily Dosage. Check it out. It's a vintage Smith Corona Electra 220 typewriter. Here we go. You got it turned on. It's got a shift button on it. You can push it down and it'll hold as you type. Hit the lock button and then you can type the numbers or whatever. Undo it. Pretty cool. Check this thing out. I don't know how old this thing is, but it still works, still prints all these different keys and numbers. This thing's pretty sweet. It was probably top of the line back in the old days. You got a power space button, half space button, a space button, rib, R-I-B, R-E-V. I don't know what that is. It's in this tab. Yep. Copy set button, on off button. I don't know what that button is. Clear, set, wonder what clear is. Pretty freaking sweet. Check this thing out. This thing's probably 30 years old, maybe more. Still prints out. Pretty rare to find one in this good of shape. Oh. Fits in it. Got its own case. 5-year guarantee is what it says inside the case. Closes right there. So you get it in the right spot. Closes right down. Latches. Pretty cool keyboard. Thanks for hanging out. Like and subscribe.